Good evening, everyone. Respected Nada sir, Kiran ma'am, dear Roshni Didi, esteemed guests, my teachers and peers. I feel extremely blessed and honored to be standing here today as the valedictorian student of Vidyagyan Bulandshahar's 2018 batch. I scored 98% in my board examinations, and I will be going to Babson College in the US to pursue my undergraduate studies in entrepreneurship. And I've been awarded full financial aid for my studies there. I'm a first generation learner in my family, the eldest of 6 siblings, and while my parents never received formal education themselves, they always encouraged us to pursue our dreams. However, our economic conditions would not have allowed all 6 of us to get quality education. Consequently, I would have been the first one to discontinue my studies because my community does not believe that it is as important to educate girls as boys. The turning point in my life came on the day when I was selected to join Vidyagyan in 2011. I belong to a section of Uttar Pradesh where most girls drop out of school just after completing their primary education because cases of eve teasing are prevalent. And most parents don't think it is safe to send their girls out to study at schools. Given this, I had to convince my parents to not just let me continue my studies, but also to let me move away from home and stay at a residential co-educational campus. And I thank my father for trusting me and letting me pursue my dreams. Vidyagyan was a completely new experience. I was excited to meet new people with such varied dreams and aspirations. And it wasn't long before that I started calling Vidyagyan my second home, a home away from home, as principal sir always said that. While I feel immensely fortunate to be a part of this academy, I do realize that there are thousands of other children, especially girls, who aren't allowed to or can't afford to study. In this era, where quality education is a luxury, Vidyagyan is fighting all odds to nurture rural meritorious students in the best way possible. As I prepare to finally step out of the campus, I'm once again excited to learn what the future holds for me. The only thing I'm certain of is that one day I'll return to my country and I hope to at least change the face of my village and my community. I strongly believe that education is the only tool that can empower women to have a voice, and hence I will try hard to work towards narrowing this gender divide. Vidyagyan has opened new horizons for all of us. I believe being successful alone is selfish. However, at Vidyagyan, we are taught to grow together and make the world rise while we rise. Today is the first day of the rest of our lives, and as a proud VGite, I urge all my peers to make the most of the education that we have received and use it to leave the world better than how we found it. From strength to strength, march on, always, onward and onward. Vidyagyan, Jai Hind. Thank you.